Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €1 minimum deposit. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's minimum deposit refers to the smallest amount of money that a trader must deposit into their trading account with that specific broker in order to start trading in the foreign exchange market. It serves as a prerequisite for accessing the broker's trading platform and executing trades. These minimum deposit requirements can vary significantly among different Forex brokers, and is often influenced by factors such as the broker's business model, regulatory requirements, and the services and features offered to traders. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with a €1 minimum deposit can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €1 minimum deposit. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own Next Generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. At number 4 on our list is Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. Coming in at number 3, we have FXGlory. FXGlory is a low-cost beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2011 in the United Arab Emirates. FXGlory adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. To further protect client privacy, FXGlory uses 256-bit SSL encryption across the entire website, which is an HTTPS data encryption protocol that secures the transfer of sensitive data on the website. FXGlory also guarantees no requotes, zero slippage, and reliable trade execution. With FXGlory, you can start your trading career by depositing as little as $1, and they offer a variety of forex pairs, precious metals, and oil, and there are 4 flexible trading accounts that you can choose from. FXGlory offers more than 50 currency pairs with spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. They also offer gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. And we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading oil. FXGlory's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005, and it comes with a variety of premium quality built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, and so much more. The FXGlory standard account is recommended for beginners and casual traders, and can be opened by depositing as little as $1. This account allows the highest maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000 and offers a 50% deposit bonus of up to $500. For professional traders who are looking for higher leverage and a deposit bonus of up to $1,000, we would recommend opening a premium account. The spreads on the standard and premium accounts are fixed and start at 2 pips, but they offer the highest leverage and larger deposit bonuses. For traders who are planning on making larger deposits, the VIP and CIP accounts offer the lowest fixed spreads, starting at 0.1 pips with premium virtual private server services. All accounts offer both instant and market order executions, and all accounts are commission-free and have fixed spreads. All of the accounts offered can also be converted to swap-free accounts, and there are no hidden fees. If you are new to trading, there are several articles that cover popular Forex topics, as well as some insightful beginner's guides on Forex trading and how to start your trading career. There are also guides on predicting price movements using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, as well as graphical analysis. and you can visit the FAQ section for answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. There are many benefits to being an FXGlory client. This beginner-friendly broker offers commission-free trading with tight spreads and trading bonuses, and you can start trading with them for only $1. FXGlory provides 24/7 support, and they have international offices with direct telephone numbers for your convenience, so you'll never have to worry about not getting the assistance you need. At number 2 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. InstaForex offers a variety of bonus offerings to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These bonuses are designed to provide traders with extra value and opportunities to maximize their trading potential. These bonuses include welcome bonuses, no deposit bonuses, a 55% bonus, a club bonus, and more. Traders who are interested in enhancing their trading journey can explore these bonuses to potentially increase their trading capital and profitability. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best forex brokers with a €1 minimum deposit, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts. With swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €1 minimum deposit on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.